What is up, fishing addicts? On today's video we are fishing in Banner Marsh in, I believe it's Pekin or Peoria, near Peoria or Pekin, one of them. So I looked up the weather yesterday and it said it's gonna be thunderstorms from 5 a.m. till 6 and the rain's supposed to stop at 8. So I start driving accordingly. I'm here at 9 o'clock, 9:30, and still raining. So it is what it is. I made the drive. It's gonna be me, my brother, and and my boy Rod. They're coming in later on today sometime. But I took the day off, so I want to make a little trip before the family shows up. I mean, my kids are overseas, so at that time, let's rig up. So I believe this is gonna be a money maker, one of the money makers, and we're gonna put a toxic gill. I was hoping, to be honest, I was really hoping for the frog bite, but unfortunately, I think we're gonna leave the frog bite for tomorrow. I'll still give it a try. This is my fourth time fishing this area. Well, this is my second time fishing this lake. Third time fishing this lake, and so I have a spot that I want to start off with, but also I want to check out a new spot that I have not fished. And tomorrow I'll probably do a total different lake. So this one is I have a 5/0 Gamakatsu on a bladed underspin or whatever, pretty weedless. I switched from mustard hooks to Gamakatsu. I do like both of them, but I do prefer Gamakatsu for some reason. And the other bait that I am extremely optimistic about is I haven't used shaky heads ever, I would say, but I was thinking about it, and the way the lily pads were last time, there was holes on them. So every time I casted a frog and I approached the hole, I had a bite. And that's why we are going with the new ribbon tail worm from Attitude Lures. And that's the reason I bought the mold, because there's a beautiful color, blue on the bottom, green pumpkin on the back, and I figured I'll give it a try with the shaky head. And these shaky heads are from Owner. I forgot what were they called. I said I'm a huge fan of Owner hooks and their stuff that they have. So we're gonna get this one ready. Yep. And then also we have the Flashy Jig 2.0. This one is I don't know if you guys can see, it has a little bit purple glitter on top, and this is with 4/0 Owner hook on a poison head. So we're all set. Let's go on the water. I got some dry clothes, hopefully they stay dry for the most part, and let's go get our picks on. Oh, it's a dandy. dandy. It's not a big one, but it's a nice start. The rain just stopped. Fix this camera. The rain just stopped, and I decided to eat a quick sandwich. And I noticed there was a lot of bait fish, just a whole huge cloud. And I put away my sandwich, and I picked up the lure and start fan casting. And look at that beautiful bass. We got bait fish jumping all around. And let's have a little nice slow motion release for this one. There we go. Woo! Give us a little splash. So we don't have the front camera. I didn't take it. I was originally planning on bringing it in and putting it in the front hatch, but I looked up the rain's supposed to stop at 2, and I wasn't planning on staying on the water that long. But I don't know. I'm gonna fish a little bit more, and if we start catching a lot more, I'll probably go get it. It's not that far. It's 20 minutes from where I'm at. So stay tuned. Let's go get our fix on. There we go. Ooh. That one just hit it on the pounce. What's up? Whoa. Oh, is this a bass? Come on. Oh, it's another dandy. Come on. There we go. Whew. Oh, yeah. Look at this, boys. Look at this. On the shaky head with the brand new worm. Ooh, it's a feisty one. We're getting somewhere. Okay. That's a nice one. 50.5. And let this bad boy go. And there she goes. Oh, guys, rain stopped. Changed my clothes, and you know, I think I'm gonna make that. Run and grab the front camera and grab myself something to drink, because all I got is Coke, and that's not gonna do it for me. And yeah, stay tuned. Be right back. This might not be a big one. Definitely a fighter. Yeah, it's not that big. Come on. There we go. Alright, boys and girls, we got that one on the new finesse worm, trick worm, on our shaky head. It's the new color. I don't know, I believe this is Okeechobee craw. It's pretty nice. Not that big, but it'll measure up. Yeah, little 13.5. Look at that. He has a little belly going on. Nice. Good shoulders. So I found this area, like right now we're sitting on 16 feet of water, 4 feet that way. It's probably about close to 36, 34. And this is a nice little steep drop off. And I noticed there was some shad playing around. So I switched to the worm. I want to see how they're gonna react. So far, we got 2 fish on one spot. I actually went back and got my front camera, and but what I think I have to do is I'm gonna have to switch one of my shiny gill, flashy gill, to a little bit shad pattern. So I don't know. I'm gonna fish this area a little bit, and probably when I go to the deeper water on the drop off where I saw a lot of bait fish swimming, darting around the grass, I'll start casting it over there. So let's go get our fix on. Whoa! I just had a bird's nest, and this thing grabbed it. Whoa! It's a big one. Whoa! Whoa! What are the odds of that? Come on, get in the net. Oh yeah. Whoa. Just casted it, as you guys saw. Had a bird's nest, and I was trying to fix it, and this thing grabbed it. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. It's not that big, but it's fat on the toxic gill. Oh my God. That's a nice one. Can't believe that just happened. And here is the release. Are you gonna splash me? Oh, okay, that scared me. Ooh. Whoa, another good one. Oh yeah. Another good one. Oh. Oh boys, got another good one. I'm gonna get everything ready. While it's sitting and resting in the net. Because lately I've been getting a lot of hate. Because I kept fish out of the water for too long. Oh, come on. No, no. That hook is sharp, buddy. Open up. There we go. Again, toxic gill. It's another beautiful. Probably 16. Yeah, close to it. There we go. That's the most cooperative fish ever. Well, one of the most cooperative fishes. Alright. There we go. At least this one didn't splash us. I'm grateful on that part. Whoa. Whoa. nice surprise. This was a nice surprise. Oh yeah. Look at how he ate it. Nice. Ah, damn it. Oh, it's another Banner Marsh chunker. Let's see what we have here. Alright guys, 50 and a quarter, not bad. 2 inches upgrade. Let this one go. And here she's gone. Damn it. You're welcome. Need help? Guys, we're just heading back to the lunch, and decided to work the edges. Look at that. Look at this. Another beautiful, beautiful. Let's get ready. Oh guys, look at that. Little shy of 18, but nice and fat one. Real nice and fat one. Let this one go.
I'm gonna go over there. I don't want them to record the company.
Alright, Alex. As you guys can see, what's going on behind me. Looks like there's a tornado headed this way, and a major storm. And I saw a couple of lightnings. So that says time to go home. Anyways, I can use the rest, and unfortunately couldn't get on any frog fish today. I had about 8 that I missed. It was a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. So hopefully I have one more day over here. Tomorrow we're gonna start the day early, and hopefully we'll get on them. So that's it guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.